In the last video, we created our roof, and so now we have a floor, roof, and walls. We have a fully enclosed building. We need to get in somehow, so let's just talk about windows and doors. And so if you go up here to the architecture tab, we have a door button. And so we can click on that, and it brings up some generic doors that are loaded in. And we can go in here and click on our building and place our door. And you can see how it gives you these blue temporary dimensions, so you kind of know where that door is being placed. And then we can do the same thing for windows. We can go up here and click the window button, and we can place a few windows, and you can see how it's placing these windows in 3D as well as 2D at the same time. So that's how to create windows, doors, and how to make your building not just a plain box. It's now has some depth, and maybe not a good looking building, but you at least have some windows and a door to get inside.